Picture this. You're trapped in a cage of fear. Every step forward met with doubt. Every dream shadowed by, what if I fail? The bars tighten. But suddenly, a spark ignites within. Tony Robbins declares, there is no such thing as failure, only results. This isn't just a phrase. It's your key to freedom. In this 65-minute journey, we'll explore 5 transformative Tony Robbins quotes to rise above fear and claim your power. Follow Alex, a man who shattered his fears to build a new life with detailed stories, real examples, and step-by-step guidance. Ready to break free? Let's unlock your strength.
First, there is no such thing as failure, only results. Tony Robbins reframes setbacks as feedback, empowering you to learn and grow instead of giving up. Alex's story, 4 minutes. Alex, a 30-year-old teacher, feared public speaking after a disastrous lesson observation. He labeled it a failure, avoiding opportunities. This quote shifted his perspective during a staff meeting. He saw the failure as a result. Nervousness disrupted his flow. He committed to practice, joining a Toastmasters club and recording himself. A twist, his first speech flopped again, but he analyzed the result, rushed pacing, and adjusted. Months later, he led a school assembly flawlessly, earning praise. His fear dissolved, replaced with confidence. Real-life examples, 4 minutes. Famous example, Thomas Edison. Edison viewed 10,000 failed experiments as results, leading to the light bulb success, proving persistence pays. Everyday example 1. Sarah, a baker. Sarah's first cake business failed due to poor pricing. She used the result to adjust, now running a thriving bakery. Everyday example 2. Mike, a salesman. Mike's initial sales rejections were failures until he saw them as data, refining his pitch to top his team. Step-by-step guide, 3 minutes. Face a setback, 1 minute. Identify a recent failure, example, a rejected idea. Analyze results, 1 minute. Write what it taught you, example, need better prep, adjust plan, 30 seconds. Create a new approach based on the lesson. Act again, 30 seconds. Try once more with your new strategy. Reflective question, what failure can you turn into a result today? Take action now. Next, if you can't, you must. If you must, you can. Robbins pushes you to tackle what scares you most, unlocking hidden potential. Alex's story, 4 minutes. Alex's confidence grew, but he feared technology, avoiding online teaching tools. This quote challenged him during a school tech upgrade. He must learn so he can adapt. He enrolled in a free coding course, struggling with basics. A twist, a student asked for help he couldn't give, pushing him harder. He practiced nightly, mastering tools like Zoom. Soon, he launched a virtual class, boosting student engagement and his reputation. Real-life examples, 4 minutes. Famous example, J.K. Rowling. Rowling couldn't write as a single mom, but must, leading to Harry Potter's global success. Everyday example 1, David, a mechanic. David couldn't manage finances, but must, learning accounting to save his shop. Everyday example 2, Lisa, a nurse. Lisa couldn't speak publicly, but must for a health campaign. Now a confident advocate. Step-by-step guide, 3 minutes. Spot a fear, 1 minute. Write one thing you can't do, i.e. public speaking. Accept the must, 1 minute. Decide why you must, i.e. for career growth. Start small, 30 seconds. Practice alone. Build confidence, 30 seconds. Increase effort weekly. Reflective question, 30 seconds. What can't you do that you must try today? Begin now. Quote 3. People are rewarded in public for what they practice in private. Robbins highlights that unseen effort leads to visible success. Alex's story, 4 minutes. Alex's virtual classes succeeded, but he wanted to innovate. This quote drove him to practice privately, designing interactive lessons at home. He spent hours testing tools, facing frustration when tech glitched. A twist. A school competition loomed, and he nearly skipped it, but his private work paid off. His lesson won first place, earning a promotion. Another challenge, balancing practice with family time. He scheduled it, deepening both his career and relationships. Real-life examples, 4 minutes. Famous example, Beyoncé. Beyoncé's private vocal and dance rehearsals led to her public superstar status. Everyday example, 1. Tom, a guitarist. Tom's private practice turned him into a local band leader. Everyday example 2. Rachel, a chef. Rachel's kitchen experiments privately perfected recipes. Winning a cooking contest. Step-by-step guide. 3 minutes. Choose a goal. 1 minute. Pick a skill to improve, e.g. writing. Practice daily. 1 minute. Dedicate 30 minutes privately, e.g. journaling. Track progress. 30 seconds. Note improvements weekly. Show results. 30 seconds. Share your skill publicly when ready. Reflective question. 30 seconds. What can you practice privately today for public reward? Start now. Quote 4. Energy flows where attention goes. Robbins teaches that focus directs your life's energy, positive or negative. Alex's story, 4 minutes. Alex's promotion brought distractions. Endless emails drained him. This quote redirected him. He focused on high-impact tasks, using a timer to limit distractions. A challenge, a personal setback, a friend's move pulled his attention to sadness. He shifted focus to gratitude, journaling, daily wins. His energy surged, boosting productivity and morale. Another twist, a tight deadline tested him, but focused effort delivered early. Real-life examples, 4 minutes. Famous example, Oprah Winfrey. Oprah's focus on helping others build her media empire. Everyday example, 1. Mark, a runner. Mark focused on training, turning energy into a marathon win. Everyday example 2. Emily, an artist. Emily's attention to her craft led to a gallery exhibit. Step-by-step guide, 3 minutes. Identify focus, 1 minute. Note where your energy goes, i.e. social media. Shift attention, 1 minute. Redirect to a goal, i.e. exercise. Use tools, 30 seconds. Set timers or reminders to stay focused. Review energy, 30 seconds. Assess weekly improvements. Reflective question, 30 seconds. Where will you direct your energy today? Focus now. Final quote, you are the master of your destiny. Robbins empowers you to take control of your life's direction. Alex's story, 4 minutes. Alex's success felt guided by others until this quote hit. He decided to master his destiny, planning a sabbatical to travel and teach globally. A challenge? Funding fears nearly stopped him, but he saved aggressively and crowdfunded. A twist? A visa delay tested his resolve, but he persisted, adjusting plans. He now teaches worldwide, shaping his destiny with passion. Real-life examples, 4 minutes. Famous example, Malala Yousafzai. Malala mastered her destiny, advocating for education despite danger. Everyday example, 1. John, a farmer. John took control, switching to organic farming, thriving sustainably. Everyday example, 2. Tara, a mom. Tara mastered her schedule, launching a home business while raising kids. Step-by-step guide, 3 minutes. Vision your destiny, 1 minute. Write your ideal future, e.g. travel the world. Plan actions, 1 minute. List steps, e.g. save money or learn languages. Overcome obstacles, 30 seconds. Address barriers with solutions. Take charge, 30 seconds. Start one action today. Reflective question, 30 seconds. How will you master your destiny today? Act now. You've walked with Alex to rise above fear and master your destiny. Now it's your turn. Reframe failures, tackle fears, practice privately, focus your energy, and take charge. Start with 1 step today. Like this video, comment your key takeaway, subscribe for more, and share with someone ready to rise. Your power awaits. Seize it now.